Welcome back, IP6. I hope you are doing great. You are staying safe. You are taking care of yourself and you are ready to learn. All right. Okay, let's get started with today's class. Today, we are continuing talking about Movie Maker and Editor. Okay, this is lesson number 12. And let's get started. So last week, we talked about how to make and edit our video in iMovie. And today we want to review Viva Video and start getting editing in this program. Let's get to editing. All right. So first you go to the App Store or Play Store. You open and search Vivo Video and download the app. My bad, Viva Video. So Viva Video program. And once you downloaded it, download the app. When you download, it might ask you to buy membership. Don't forget, don't accept and don't pay any membership fee. You don't need to, it's a free program. It will give you a lot of messages to pay, but still don't accept any. So you just go to your Apple Store and you choose it and you download it. This would be the first page you will see once you open the program. This is the new project, so which will help you to start your editing. So new project, you have to press new project. You can choose the videos or pictures you want to add. You can add effects just like this. You can go to the effect page and add the effects and add the videos that you want. So the videos are on your desk, on your phone, and you can just add it. These are the effects. This would be the first page you will see once you open it. New project helps you, and you can add GIFs also, which are moving pictures. Basically, it has a lot of options for you to add. So this is the editing page. You can edit as you like, use background, split the shots if it's too long. So this is the video. This is the editing areas, split, delete, trim. And the last one is detailing your work, adding music, themes, clip edit, or text, and so on. So this is the quick introduction that we watched last time. Let's take a look at it again, which shows split, trim, speed, and so on. So this one we already watched together from before, but today again, I'll show it again just as a reminder if you have forgotten. And after this, we will go to the phone and try to edit it together. So you can see I trim, I extend, I minimize some parts. I can make it faster to make the video a faster process, like very fast, you can see here, or very slow. But you have to be careful when you use this kind of option because it makes your video look not natural. You can see the difference when we use iMovie or we use this app. I think it's pretty obvious that iMovie, it would be a better program to edit, but some of you might not have iMovie, so this would be the second best option that you can do and use. These are some transitions that between the videos you can use to have a smoother, basically smoother way to go to the next video or next shot. So that's how it would look. Depends on your editing. How do you want the transition to be? This is, you can rotate if you want to rotate some video or photo. You can add the text. Just by typing inside. You can try to choose how you want it to look like. This would be the somehow a filter. You can add music, control the sound, how loud it should be. These are some themes that the program itself can suggest to you, that it edits your video automatically, which can be useful for sometimes. And these are all the different music options that you have many. All right. Okay, so let's open our program and get started. So let me stop sharing the screen. Open the, just give me a second. I'll share the screen with you just in just a moment. Okay, so I think you can see my screen at the moment. Okay, so you open your app first. This is again what the first thing that you will see. Again, you have to press the X to go out, and you can press new project to start a new project, or just go back to the one we were making before. So this is the one I was making from before. You can see I can edit it just by clicking on it, and I can see all the options we have here. We can find the place to make it speed up, so we can choose the speed. Maybe we want to make it a bit faster. Let's go on to. So if you just make it a bit slower or a bit faster, I think it's fine because it still looks natural. But if you do it too fast like this, it starts breaking up. So I suggest you just to do a bit if you want to speed it up to keep the natural effect. All right, let's say I'm done with this scene. Let's say I want to go to the next scene. Or I want to trim. I want to go to the next scene. I want to speed it up also, just a tiny bit. Next scene. Let's speed it up again. just a tiny bit. And then I don't want any sound, so I just press on this 100 volume, the last one. So I'll just take it down for all my videos, all my shots. Okay. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Speed it up for me, because this area is a bit slow. And next scene, sound is already 0. And we can speed up a tiny bit. Speed up. And no volume for me. Speed up. And no volume again. And a cat. And my other cat. And for this one, I want to add some text. I'll choose text here. And I can type in my cat's name. I can resize it. I can change it to be like this or the other way around. Can edit as I like. Don't forget, I can choose the color, the style, text, color, order, and all other details. All right, but let's say I want just to change the color to red, just for showing you. I can go back and go back to editing. Now, I think I'm about done, but maybe add some music. Let's choose some music. Let's go for drama. Let's try horror. And let's see how it looks. So you can see that the music might not match. So what I do, I just select the music and just delete it. And I just click add music again. And maybe this time I can add something more fun. Let's try Celebrate. Okay, I can't hear anything for this one. Maybe let's try another. Let's just try some music and add it. You can choose any music you like. Okay, let's try. I'm not sure why the sound is not coming. Okay. Okay, so you can see that the music is too short, right? What I can do is I just duplicate it again to add it. I just click on it and I'll just delete the top one. And I just extend it, or because the song is too short. So what I have to do is to add another sound or just continue it. So what we can do is, just go to the music, add the sound, and you can also record. You can speak to. You can see the record button right here. Here is the record button. Here is the sound effects. You can add sound effects, music, original sound. So let's add some more music. The same one. Let's just use it again. Okay. So problem solved. And here, let's add some sound effect this time. Let's say I want cat. Let's try to find the cat. Are there any human ring instrument explosion? So you can see all the categories there. Sadly, I don't see any option to search. System, door, effect, car, sound. I was hoping to add some cat sounds, but I cannot find any cats. Anyway, let's add something anyway. All right, let's play it from here. Okay, so that's some introduction for you to understand how we can actually edit it, which is not too complicated for you to do. Just use the app or the iMovie program, whichever is easier for you or whichever you have access to. And just edit your videos. It's not a big deal. I think you can do it. It's not too hard. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, so just edit your video using your phone or using your computer and just split or do the commands that we have learned, add music, add sound effects, or add your own recording. You can be creative as you like. Okay, so for your homework, please start to edit your video and save your video and export as an MP4. Make sure your video is not over 1 GB. Don't make it too heavy. When you export, usually you can choose to export lower quality so it can be easy to transfer online. Make the video less than 3 minutes. You can upload it to Google Forms. I have added the link for you to sign in the Google Forms and upload your video there. If you could not use the Google Forms link, you can, if you could, just use that. But if you could not upload it there, if it was not accepted, you can send it to my email, ipamirkamyabi@patai.ac.th. So you just copy paste my email and use that. to send it to my email. Just if you send to my email, make sure you write down your nickname and your Pathai ID number and your class number, okay? So this homework is due to Thursday, 23rd of September. Make sure you have time to finish your editing and post it online. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for joining our class. Take care, stay safe, and see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.